Continue on I-84 East for 3/4 of a mile.
I just wanted some more schooling on the boss's diet. Classes go well, and I coast through spring semester by tapping into a bit of savings. And wouldn't you know it, the pandemic happens, and my unemployment benefits are extended. Guess I'll take some summer classes too. And those extended benefits were at 3 times the base employment rate? Gee whiz, I guess I can take a full set of fall classes.
They can exist. I mean, we saw it with Robin Williams and Jim Carrey. You know, they both are able to access the comedy, obviously, because they're so talented. But when it comes to roles where society and the population aren't expecting them to be able to get into these darker elements of the human,
go to the right, go.
Effect and darker elements of, you know, the way people can be.
Oh! 25 Fleet, I just got rear-ended. Oh! 25 Fleet, I just got rear-ended. I'm locked in the car right now.
You okay? You alright?
Here.
Yep. Come on. Ah.
Here you go. Got it.
You okay?
Holy sh**.
Hold on, let me look at you. Make sure you're alright. You okay?
I think so. Holy sh**. We're gonna need this whole intersection blocked off. Oh, sh**.
a dipshit.
Jesus Christ, lady. Wow.
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.